All right, here's one that we're just wrapping up for a pool builder. Again, the pool here in Texas, the ground is very hard. It's full of this rock material, which is all over the yard. And so they oftentimes build these pools where they're a couple, 3 feet out of the ground. So what we do is we build this perimeter wall all the way around, and then we backfill it with road base. There's some leftover road base right there. That's what's underneath there. And as we build this wall, every other course of the wall gets this geogrid fabric. Put this over here so you can kind of see what it is. So we lay this out in the course of the wall, and then it goes into the area where the base material is compacted, and it acts like a tie down, like you'd strap something down on your trailer to keep it from falling off. When we put the base rock over the top and we compact it, it becomes another tether point that holds this wall vertical so it doesn't ever tilt. This is critical so that it doesn't tilt. So anyways, back to what we did here. We set up the elevations for the wall so that we get a little bit of fall from the pool this way, and it requires only the paver on top of the wall. So it's a nice, clean, seamless look. It's a little dirty right now. It needs to be washed, but overall, this right here are the rain gutters. We tied them in, came underneath the wall. Right now, Issachar is sweeping in the poly sand that we use. We put just an emergency drain here, but pretty much everything sheet flows out. Yeah, so this is the poly sand. We got the roller compactor that we use. Over here, Angel is building some steps so they can access this over here. One thing that we often find too with pavers that is kind of a bummer is that oftentimes when the pool is built, it's not always square with the house. So this one was a little bit off. So we did some trickery with this band right here, and we moved the pavers around so they're all large cuts, and you can't really tell that it's not square. Again, those are just little tricks of the trades that we do to we're able to hide that see the pavers are all symmetrical, and when we lay the pavers, we lay it with a string line, and pavers don't lie. If the house is not square with the pool, it'll show, unless you do little tricks where you kind of hide it. So this particular pool was out almost 1 inch from one side to the other with the house. So we fixed that. So now, take you over here, kind of give you an idea of what Angel's doing on this side. Our new little Kubota mini skid steer, really excited about that. That's really upped our game quite a bit. Anyways, here's the wall on this side. As you can see, it's significantly taller. Again, we've got the geogrid in there to prevent the wall from falling this way. Plus we also have this side that locks in. But the key to building retaining walls in this type of an application is that geogrid. Something that's often overlooked, but very important. So we're building a staircase here. It's gonna be 6 steps. And it's a process of building it up, putting the compactor on it, building it up some more. And again, here's another drain line that we tied in, comes out here. Just a really great looking wall. This is a product that is usually sold distressed. We buy it before it gets distressed because we like the look of it. It's just really hard to beat. So another one here, wrapping up. Just takes the pool to another level. This particular pool builder used a ton of concrete with a cool deck overlay. And this is just something that'll stand out for a long time.